Hello students, today we are going to discuss about IELTS Task 1, which means report writing. So I think many students face a lot of problem while doing that Task 1 of IELTS. But it's not that much difficult because I'm gonna teach you easiest way and easiest tip or tricks that you can follow while writing Task 1. Okay, start with introduction. How to write introduction? So in introduction, it is very important for us to start with very formal line. Like what students usually do is they start directly. Like whatever is given in question, they write exact word to word in like as introduction. Don't do that. Okay. So I'm give you line that you can use in your task 1 before you start your introduction. So you can start with the line, the depiction of given bar graphs, pie chart, table, combined chart, whatever the chart name is, write down that, okay. Below, cater the information, then start paraphrasing the question. Secondly, go with the overall. So in overall, try to write relevant points. For example, if you will get pie chart or bar graph, talk about only trends. The trends of 7 countries, 8 countries, namely, then write down that name. Or if you get something line, graph or table, then talk about their highest and lowest percentile of that. Okay. And in B1, like body paragraph 1, you can write relevant points like highest, lowest and similar features of that graph. And then in B2, talk about the rest features.